another innocent life lost on the roads of the national capital when a cab driver became the victim of the reckless driving on the streets of Delhi after a BMW rammed into his car. And this is the man now who's been arrested, who was behind the wheels. Shoaib Kohli, all of 24, said to be behind the wheels. The BMW there lost control, hit the cab. It's only 12 hours later, remember, that the Delhi police has been able to arrest this man that you see on your screens now. He's being booked for reckless driving. Bhavtosh tracking all developments on that story, and he's live with us on the broadcast. But you know, Bhavtosh, many are questioning the kind of charges perhaps that have been leveled against this man, because whatever we know so far essentially means it's very easy for him to manage a bail.
Yes, Dipti, if not today, then maybe by tomorrow he will get bail either from the police station or from the court. He has been booked under Section 304A, which is dead due to a negligent act, and 279, which is dangerous driving. The impact of the accident was such that Nazrul died at the spot. In fact, that WagonR was flung in the air for at least 15 feet. That's what people have said. And this happened not in a desolate area of Delhi, but in one of the most secured and one of the posh areas of Delhi, which is near IIT Delhi. After hitting him, Shoaib and his friend came out of the BMW. They saw him bleeding to death, and then they just fled away from the spot. The police have said that they will do a medical examination and also a forensic examination. And if they see that he's a repeat offender, someone who has been involved in several such accidents, then it could be possible that they might press charges of culpable homicide. As of now, it's likely that by late this evening or tomorrow, if he's produced before the court, he will be given bail.
कल रात 11:30 बजे एक पीसीआर कॉल मिला था कि आईआईटी के पास में एक वैगनआर टैक्सी को एक बीएमडब्ल्यू कार ने एसयूवी ने हिट किया है पीछे से, और जिससे टैक्सी का ड्राइवर इंजर्ड है और बीएमडब्ल्यू कार का ड्राइवर मौके से गायब मिला था। और जो टैक्सी का ड्राइवर को हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट किया गया, हॉस्पिटल में वो ब्रॉड डेड घोषित किया गया उसको। और जो बीएमडब्ल्यू कार जो ऑफेंडिंग व्हीकल है जो पीछे से उसको टक्कर मारा था, उसके गाड़ी का नंबर से उसके ओनर का ट्रेस करके हमें ये मिला कि उनका बेटा शोएब कोहली 24 साल का वो गाड़ी को कल ड्राइव कर रहा था, जिससे ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ है।
शोएब कोहली क्या करता है?
शोएब कोहली गुड़गांव में एक प्राइवेट कंपनी है, प्राइवेट कंपनी में एनालिस्ट के तौर पे काम करते हैं।
So what are the sections and has he been given bail or he is in judicial custody, police custody?
ये तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पता चलेगा। और अक्यूज्ड शोएब कोहली ये गुड़गांव में एक प्राइवेट